Money is something that we all use on a daily basis, whether it be for buying groceries, paying rent, or investing in our future. However, have you ever stopped to think about where money comes from, how it works, and why it's so important? Hello and welcome to our new video series, where we will be exploring the fascinating world of money and its importance in our lives. Money is a piece of paper, or a number on a screen that each one of us wants more and more of. From beggars to billionaires, it is all about money.
Hey fellas, look what I found in my pocket! Look! A year's salary right here! What I call them? Fun coupons! See that? A fun coupon!
But, hold on, because this wasn't always the case. Let's start the journey from the origin of the idea and how it came about. Money has been an integral part of human civilization for thousands of years, but its origins are a subject of debate among historians and anthropologists. One theory is that money originated as a way to facilitate trade. In ancient times, people used to barter goods and services with each other, but this had its limitations as it required a double coincidence of wants. To overcome this problem, people began to use objects with intrinsic value, such as precious metals, as a medium of exchange. One of the earliest examples of this type of currency is the use of cowrie shells in ancient China. Cowrie shells were small, durable, and easy to transport, making them ideal for use as a currency. Another early form of currency was metal coins, which first appeared in ancient Greece around 600 BCE. These coins were made of precious metals such as gold and silver and had a standardized weight and value. Over time, paper money also emerged as a popular form of currency. The first paper money was developed in China during the Tang Dynasty, around 618 to 907 CE. This paper money was backed by precious metals and was used to facilitate trade and commerce. Today, money has evolved to become much more than just a medium of exchange. It is a symbol of wealth, power, and status. It is also the foundation of modern economies, which rely on money to facilitate transactions, investments, and lending. As trade and commerce grew, so did the need for a more complex financial system. In the Middle Ages, banks began to emerge as institutions that provided loans to merchants and charged interest on those loans. This allowed merchants to expand their businesses and increase their wealth. The advent of the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century led to significant changes in the way money was used. New technologies, such as the steam engine and the cotton gin, revolutionized manufacturing and made it easier and faster to produce goods. As a result, the demand for money increased, and banks became even more crucial to the economy. But money was still largely dependent and attached to a resource that facilitated its value. And in came the era of gold standard currency. The video was a synopsis of the journey money has went through. Frankly, each of these chapters deserve a video of their own. So, you might see these topics come up again on the channel. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the journey we took together, then like the video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you receive a notification for the upcoming videos of this series. Thanks again, and to my buddies out there, keep exploring and keep seeking.